Bom dia, amigo do canal do YouTube. Estou com vocês para mostrar um som da Sony grx800 400 watts MPO, 400 ms de potência. Som com qualidade. Para quem conhece, tipo de som que eu falo aqui para vocês. Super legal o som, vocês podem ver. Olha aí, pessoal. Vou aumentar um pouquinho, ó.
We burn raw in trench town night. Guitar off tune, still find the chord. Bassman barefoot, feet on board. No mixer, no booth, just their wall. But rhythm move like ancient call. No verse rewrite, no chorus fix. Just breath and drum and broken mix. We press record, we let it go. The sound of fight from long ago. Rust on the mic, but the fire still sing. No polish needed to make it ring. Crack and pop, but so stay bright. We burn raw in trench town night. Say demo, don't erase. Son press play, found a trace. A voice is lost but still alive. Rust and all, we still survive. They couldn't see nothing, only grey on ground. But me step still forward, barefoot and slow. Some light hang like dream from the branch. Not bright but sure, like Jah whispering. Just one more step. Lantern sway from crooked tree. Yellow eye in the foggy sea. Mist road thick like old man's tale. Goat cry out from hidden trail. Footprint there then gone again. Like memory floating in jarring. But me feel a pull. Silent hymn that guide me on. Lanterns in the fog still shine.